Okay, so I got this T-fitting. One side's going to be the oil pressure sensor for the computer, so I can set up some safety parameters, and the other one would be the factory sensor for the gauge. I ordered up a gauge, I want to say about 3 days ago, but somehow it got lost in shipping. It still shows it's just chilling in Texas. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put two sensors on this side. I do have this old style mechanical gauge that I'm not going to mount this in the car. I'll probably just install it where it just sits on the windshield, so when the motor's running I can just kind of see it, just to kind of get things calibrated. Once I get the sensor calibrated and everything reads the same, then I'll just pull it out and set up on my safety. But I just want to make sure the car's reading oil pressure before I actually start it. So I'll get these connected. What I've got, so you can always use some of this Teflon tape. I got this from I think like Home Depot, but this thread sealing actually works better, and it's probably better so you don't have leaks. These cars are a little finicky, so I decided to get this. I got it from it's called G&J Aircraft Fitting. It's right here in I think it's Pomona. It might be Ontario, but what in there, the guys are always great there. So I got this from them. So what I'll do, I'll put a little bit on this thread part that actually attaches to the block, and then I'll put some on this side that attaches to this fitting, and then each sensor get a little bit on there as well. And now that we've metered it, this. Right now I just have a napkin holding it in with a screw. Hope that doesn't leak. I think just snug is good enough. Do it too tight, you might crack those housings. So next we'll get that other fitting. So, cut off the tab. We just got some tin snips, and I cut off this side of the battery bracket. Initially had it right here on the side, but I'm pretty sure I can get it. I can get it to go to the front or to the side. Okay, so like I said, this is just temporary, but if this works, yeah, I can make a bracket, a tie down. there's anything on this battery. So there's a bolt over here, looks like it's for the motor. Look like it's the motor for the headlight pop-up. So I could probably attach something to there and then have it come over and then hug the rail. No leaks. I think we could probably start it tomorrow. I changed the fuel filter. Just need to get a couple fittings. But yeah. Now fuel pressure. Alrighty. Just gotta hook up the fuel lines. Put back in the spark plugs. And put the spark plugs back in. Verify spark. I'm gonna hook up that pressure sensor so the computer can read it too, and we'll start the car up. Oh, also gotta hook up that white band. So, still need to hook up the wideband. I put the sensor in. So, I just gotta plug this in and terminate it. I don't think I terminate it. I think it all just plugs in. Just gotta install it. Alright. Cool. That's it.